Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to explain how to disable YouTube's restricted mode when it's enabled by a network administrator. So you might notice that some YouTube videos are hidden if you click on the profile icon in the top right corner and then go to the restricted mode, which is now currently off in my account. If it is currently on in yours and cannot be turned off, it will state that restricted mode is turned on by your network administrator to help hide potentially mature videos. If you are the network administrator, for example, it's your personal internet connection and you want to disable this feature, you need to follow the steps. If you have a different network administrator, you'll need them to change the settings for you. So for the Chrome users, select the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome application. Then after, select Settings. On the left-hand side, select Privacy and Security. Then select Security option. Then select Security. Scroll down and select DNS provider. Click on this drop-down menu. And here you'll likely see that you're currently using a clean browsing family filter or your operating system, which is default. Change this to Google Public DNS. Select this and then restart your browser. You need to simply close it and relaunch your Chrome application. Go back to your YouTube and again tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner and select restricted mode and turn it off. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.